Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive, and right behind me we're going to be taking a look at a gorgeous red 2014 Subaru Forester. Let's start right away up front, shall we? On the front end you do have factory fog lamps. HID headlights are going to keep you very safe at night, and then you have the chrome grille as well. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. There's no rips, no stains on the seats. Up top you have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. The Subaru is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more space. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth and cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, dual climate control, you also have dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Outback on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.